Election Commission has spoken on Nandigram attack report that was submitted by Bengal government. EC has said that it is unclear whether it was an attack or an accident. EC sources also tell us that a neutral witness account is missing in the report. EC also says that it is not convinced with the report that has been submitted by the Chief Secretary of the state. Remember, EC sources also tell us that the report is unclear on what exactly caused door to close, which actually eventually injured Mamata Banerjee. Ayushman is on the phone line to give more details on this. So, Ayushman, EC has made some scathing remarks, not at all satisfied with the report that has been submitted by Bengal government.
Well, we are learning from our sources, Gauri, that the CS report which has been submitted, the EC is not clearly satisfied with that. In that it is being mentioned that yes, there was an iron pole which was present at that spot, but the exact cause of injury, whether it was an attack or it was an accident, that is not clearly mentioned out there. The eyewitnesses account, because it was a party event, is ranging from one party to the other. So there is no neutrality in the assessment that has been made. Of course, the Election Commission has sought another report for about 5 p.m. We are being told another report has to come because they are not satisfied with the report which has come here right now by the Chief Secretary. Remember, after the attack took place, the Election Commission had written to the TMC that they have sought a report from the Chief Secretary. The Chief Secretary in turn had turned to the police, and the police report also says that exact detail of attack or the alleged incident that has happened is not clear because the crowd that was there present, iron poles present, was there. Now what has happened here, Gauri, is that it is not yet clear as to what actually happened at that point, because the CCTV near that area was not working. Only one CCTV was there. As per report, we are quoting this, that there was only one CCTV which is also not working. As per the mobile footages, it is being shown that it is because of the door that is slamming the legs of Mamata Banerjee, which has happened. But was it deliberate? It has been done by some miscreants, or it was accidental in nature? That is something that the report has still not specified, and that is why the Election Commission is still deliberating upon, and the CS has been told that another report has to be filed by 5 p.m. today.
Right. Thank you, Ayushman, for sharing all those details. So, as Ayushman was telling us, a detailed report will be filed today, and we will be tracking all the developments that is happening on that front closely on Mirror Now.